Kristen Salazar, no stranger to the Florida Insider Official Report. And you know, Kristen, we've been really busy down at the lodge with some construction projects. So why don't we tell everybody a little bit about the new rooms?
Yes, we just finished it in January. We got 8 new rooms. That gives our clients a lot of options to be able to sleep alone. They don't got to sleep with their best friend that's there snoring all night. They can stay by themselves, hang out and relax so that they're refreshed and ready for the next day. So now we're having fun doing that, and then we're going to start expanding a little bit more as well. We're going to add another 8 rooms for 16 additional rooms. We're going to expand the pool, the tiki hut, so that everyone can just have a good time out there.
Yeah, let's take a look at those renderings. I mean, this is going to be the world-class lodge that, I mean, now we're putting it on steroids.
Yes.
I love that.
Now it's going to be beautiful. I mean, it was always beautiful and homey. It's still going to be homey, but a little bit more space for people to really relax.
Where do we go if we want more information about coming down to the lodge?
So you can come down, you can call Kirsten or Christian here in our Miami office. On top of that, you can go on our Facebook or Instagram. You can go online. It shows all of our prices, our packages, all of our beautiful custom sport fishing boats, because we truly have the best boats in the charter boat fleet in the world. So, I mean, just check out there, and I promise you won't have any doubts at all.
I agree with that.
It's gonna be fun.
You know what? We gotta go to a commercial. You did a great job.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for being here.